I decided to start with a rice water treatment to give my hair a little bit of strength. So you can see this is how my hair looks like at the moment. I'm going to start with my rice water treatment. Then after that, I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to do a deep conditioning treatment, and then I'll blow dry my hair before I straighten my hair today. So without wasting time, let's get straight into this video. So I didn't film myself making this rice water because I was actually in a haste to do this, but I'm sure you guys must know how to make rice water. I've made a video on how to make rice water on my channel here and also on my TikTok account. But if you guys want a new updated video on how to make your rice water, then let me know in the comment section, and as usual, of course, I'll come to the rescue. So in case you're hearing any background noise, I can't help it. This is what we content creators in Nigeria suffer. So I'm going to start by spraying this part of my hair. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start. So before I forget, to this rice water I added few drops of tea tree oil and few drops of peppermint oil into this, in case you're wondering. And no, it doesn't smell awful, it doesn't smell bad at all. It actually it has a minty smell because of the peppermint oil I added to it. So feel free to add any essential oil. You can add lavender essential oil to this as well to help with the smell.